Hey friends, welcome to the class. We are glad to see you. Hey Annie, how are you? I'm fine, John. What happened, Annie? John, I'm confused. I want to ask something. Yes, tell me. There are so many birds in the sky. They fly every time. They enjoy in the sky. But why can't we fly? Ha 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 ha. Any nice question. If I would have wings, I could just fly off to school without getting late. Ha 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 ha. Any birds fly because of their wings. They fly with the help of their wings. Do you have wings? No, I don't have wings. So any birds can fly because of their light weight and their wings. They flap their wings and can fly. Now I understood. Friends, so now you also understood how birds fly. Let's go now. It is our prayer time. So join our hands and close our eyes for the prayer.